This video is going to just talk through the submission guidelines, and you can find this file in Blackboard under Module 1, Weeks 1 and 2, under Submission Guidelines, how to submit an assignment. And so what you're going to want to do, first of all, make sure when you're creating your project that you name it with your last name and a descriptive name. When you're naming the project, you may have spaces or underscores, but when you create your source code file, again, you're going to name it last name and then the project, but do not include a space. Whenever you're creating a source code file, please use an underscore, okay? You will submit only your .cpp file, and all of your projects must contain this header. So you guys can highlight this, copy it, and you could take it over to your code, which I already did, and I pasted it in. And you'll just need to change up your last name, first name, the spring 2019, etc. This one's a Hello World program. Do a short description. It outputs Hello World to the screen, and then your integrity header. I've saved this file as a template. It was the O'Loughlin Hello World, but let me show you how I did that. I did a file, save as. So if you want to do this on your own machine, and then I just named it template.cpp, and it's being saved. Pay attention to where it's being saved in that same folder. You'll want to move it out and replace it, or move it out and have it in a location where you can access it easily. I will also attach this particular template to the place on Blackboard for you guys. Last but not least, this is a .cpp file, or rather, let's say we're going to submit the Hello World. I want you to only submit this Hello World file. So if we go back to Blackboard and we take a look at how to do that. Under Module 1, Week 1 and 2, with the Hello World, whatever the assignment is, and you can tell it's an assignment by the visual here. This is just looks like a page of notes, and this one has this is the symbol for an assignment. So I'm going to click on here, and it's going to let you browse your computer. So you browse the computer, and you're going to have to find the folder that it's located in. So I had to get into C++ Spring 2019, and then inside your project folder, you need to go inside the file or the folder named exactly the same as your project, and I want this .cpp file right here. You click open and then submit, and that will submit your project file. Mine will fail because I'm the teacher and it doesn't want me to submit that. But that's how you would set up your template, and also make sure you include your academic header for submitting, and how you submit just your .cpp file until I tell you otherwise.